It is Friday, and I am back in the office. Came with a blog article regarding what occurred with Von Miller, the linebacker for the Buffalo Bills. And I wrote the article really to explain once again probable cause and domestic violence. For those of you who haven't read the story or the blog article, Von Miller was arrested in Dallas, Texas on assault charges, and he allegedly assaulted a pregnant woman. The relationship between him and the pregnant woman is unknown. But police were called to a residence. She made a report, and then an arrest warrant was issued based on the police investigation. As far as the investigation, the results of it are really unknown, but apparently the woman had physical signs of abuse, and obviously she made a statement regarding what Mr. Miller had allegedly done. Now, this is an important article because really probable cause to arrest or probable cause to issue an arrest warrant is really the same, whether it be in Texas, Pennsylvania, or New Jersey, and that was the point of the blog article. Obviously, Mr. Miller can be charged with a variety of things here. It seems like he'd be in charge with a felony offense in Texas because of the woman's status as being pregnant, and that obviously aggravates the charge. If it seems like she had injuries, but they were not, according to what I read, apparently substantial injuries, but when you're pregnant, obviously any type of injury could be potentially serious or potentially life-threatening to the baby. So that's why it's elevated. Now, similarly, in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, there are similar statutes which can turn a assault charge, which can be graded as a felony or misdemeanor, from a misdemeanor to a felony offense. Again, it's based on the circumstances surrounding the assault. It can be graded as a simple assault, but graded as an aggravated assault when it comes to serious bodily injury, or perhaps the person who's being assaulted, whether it be a person of a special class, like a police officer, or a person who's in a weakened state, like an elderly person or a child, or in this case, a pregnant person. So again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gambleandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. Now, I'm going to link in the blog article that I wrote on Von Miller. I'm also going to link in the blog article that I wrote about the former WWE wrestler who was sentenced to 17 years of state incarceration because of a deadly DUI. Again, I highlight the similarities between a state like Florida and Pennsylvania and New Jersey, as I do in all my articles. Obviously, I'm not licensed to practice law in Texas or Florida or other states, but I can show similarities because, again, these cases, I don't use them to embarrass anyone, but just to show that a criminal case can happen to any person. Now, in the case of that wrestler, her BAC was 4 times the legal limit, and also, obviously, a person was killed. In addition, she's had previous DUIs, and at the time of the incident, her license was actually suspended in Florida and had been previously suspended in Pennsylvania. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. I came out with our weekly update today, which went to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic articles. Again, our most popular content is put in the e-update, which goes out to all of our clients and our former clients. They get it each and every Friday. I'm going to link in the e-update as well in the description. So once again, it's Friday. So if you're traveling in Pennsylvania or New Jersey and you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. Remember, your Pennsylvania gun or your out-of-state gun does not belong in the Garden State. New Jersey has no reciprocity with any state. But once again, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.